Hey everyone, Dr. Nuesse from EasyDOTphysicals.com. This video is going to be about a change to the channel, an option to help support this channel, something that I've been going back and forth with for a while, and I've decided to move ahead with, and I appreciate all of the paid members for this channel, but that's what this video is about paid memberships. If you don't want to know about that, feel free to click off of this video. If you're looking for other content about medical testing, drug testing, that type of thing, I'm going to give you the reasons why I'm deciding to go forward with the memberships and actually promote the memberships page. I've made some notes. I'm going to do this pretty much unedited, but I want to give you the reason why. If you do not want to support the channel, all of the videos are still going to be free. All you're doing by supporting the channel is just supporting the content that I make. The content that I make, it does take time. I do have a team that helps me work on the videos, come up with ideas, do research, that type of thing. So if you want to support it, great, but this is the reason why. And the main reason is YouTube's monetization policies around drug-related content, and they still consider marijuana THC to be drug-related content, and they are cracking down heavily on being able to monetize that. So I lose a lot of revenue that I use to make these videos, and this is kind of a part-time job for me, so I lose a lot of revenue because I can't monetize the videos. So what I've been able to do, and kind of the workaround, is I've been able to appeal a lot of the videos, because as soon as you publish a video, it's got marijuana in the subject, the title, whatever, they immediately demonetize the video. And then you can click appeal, that it's educational, that I'm not promoting drugs and all of that kind of stuff. And then it'll go through this appeals process, which could take up to a week. So the workaround I found was I can publish it immediately to the members page, and then allow it to go through that appeals process, and then whether it gets accepted, and sometimes it does, and I have no idea why really. Sometimes they will allow ads to be on these videos and sometimes they won't, but members can have access to it during that period of time, and then I can make it live to everybody after that appeals process has gone through. So I hope that makes sense. So really it's because a lot of the videos that I make just can't be monetized. So all I'm asking is that if you want to support the content that I'm making, the only level that I have is $2.99 per month. What you get for that, again, is early access to almost all of the videos that are marijuana THC related, whether that's updates, whether that's about the drug testing process, whatever. You get early access, you get priority reply to all the comments, because you'll have a little badge next to your name showing that you are a member, so I'll see that and I'll be able to answer your comments specifically. And basically it's just showing support. It's just your way of showing support for the content that I make. Again, nothing's mandatory, nothing is changing. I'm gonna make videos regardless. This is just an extra way that I wanted to put out there to support the channel, because again, just to help try to make up for that revenue loss because of YouTube's monetization policies. Hopefully those will change in the future as the process continues with the supposed legalization of marijuana, or at least the stigma being removed from marijuana in a lot of places, hopefully federally, in this country. So again, I'm blabbing here. Nothing more than that. If you want to become a member, show support, I will leave a link right in the description box below. Just scroll down and you'll see it there. More exciting videos coming up very, very soon. A lot of updates upcoming. I just put another one out again to the members page. All right, until next time, everybody stay safe.